103 Rock that thing tonight for a good cause at the Beaumont Club tonight. Bobby Valentino will be in concert and a benefit for sickle cell, and we've got some guests in the studio to help talk about it. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir. How you doing?
Good. Who's in the studio with us today?
Charles Swin here.
Mr. Swin, it's always good to see you.
You know, Sean, good to see you too, Doctor.
All right, who else we got?
Oh, man, it's your man, Urban Mystic. We're in the building.
Urban Mystic's in the house, and of course, it's going to be for sickle cell anemia. Mr. Swinton, tell everybody who doesn't understand what sickle cell is and why it's important that we as African Americans, one, get out and support tonight to get more information, and two, to make sure that they get on a list to help save someone's life.
Sickle cell disease is an inherited disease. It's passed on to children when both parents possess the hemoglobin S gene, which is a sickle cell trait. What happens is the red blood cells turn to a sickle shape or a C shape, and when that happens, it blocks the critical blood flow to body's tissues and organs. And when that happens, then you have knee replacements, organ replacements, all those type of things. Also, too, we're also part of the Charles Drew program, as you know about.
Right.
The station's been a part of for the last 9 years. And what that does is go out into the community to find blood matches for children who suffer from sickle cell anemia. Some of our children need blood transfusions every 30 days. And so we want to thank Urban Mystic along with Bobby Valentino for coming out and being a part of this, you know, and try to raise the awareness of sickle cell disease.
Urban Mystic, man, for those who don't, there's a bunch of youngsters out there who have no clue who you are.
That's right.
Now, break it down for them in just a few words.
Oh, man, it's your man, Urban Mystic, Floridian, born and raised in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. You know, up and coming R&B singer. Working on my third album right now, getting ready to release that the 28th of this month, G-Hour 3. And shoot, man, I'm going to be out at the Beaumont Club tonight, you know what I mean, for the sickle cell awareness and out there to do my thing as well, you know. I don't know if, you know, something like, y'all might remember me from songs like Where Were You, I Refuse, Long Ways, Your Portrait. You know, I got a lot of songs to break off proper for the ladies tonight. If y'all know I'm a ladies man.
So you'll be in town tonight with Bobby Valentino, who's actually in the area. He'll be here tonight, and the host of the show hiding out in the corner over there.
Yeah, this your girl Sean Hill. He up there hating all that. You know, he just mad because I spell my name just like his. No, wait a minute, he spelled his like my shit.
I already know what it is. Urban Mystic in town. I already know. Come on, after the party, it's the after party. Y'all already know wherever it's gonna be at. It's at the Beaumont Club tonight. So y'all come on out, especially ladies.
For those that can dance, clap your hands to it. Clap your hands.
Urban Mystic, Rick Rouse.
Clap your hands for those that can.
Yeah.
Hot 103 Jams.